319 meditation on following no religion. For the vast majority of us, happiness depends on material possessions, and yet it is obvious that possessions by themselves cannot bring us satisfaction. We only have to look around us. We can see people who have every conceivable comfort, but who take tranquilizers or fall prey to alcoholism to find solace. Conversely, we can see people who have nothing, but who are happy, relaxed, in good health, and who live to a great old age. Words to meditate on. Happiness is within. Go within to find yours. Material possessions are nice, but it's not all there is.